Hey guys, okay, we are ready to fill in our label part of the box where we're going to label the parts of speech. So I'm just going to go through and kind of list the important part. So here we have the word tears, and that is the subject or the a noun. I guess it's considered a noun, and it is a noun in this one, okay? So tears is a noun. You could also call it the subject. Okay? Streamed, that is a verb, or it can be called the predicate. Alright, down, that tells where, let's see, Laura. Laura's important. Laura's, this is a possessive. Remember we said because it's her face, that's why it has the apostrophe S. A possessive, proper noun. Kind of small there. Okay, but it is definitely capitalized. It is her name, and it is a noun. All right, down Laura's face. Face is another noun. There's a lot of nouns in this one. Let's see. And, that is a conjunction. That's why we have a comma and the word and, because it's combining these two simple sentences. Then we have Jane. I'm going to write it up here. It's a proper noun. Took a step toward her. Took. That is your predicate. All right, that's a predicate. A step. A step would be a thing, so that's a noun. And then you even have the word her, which is a pronoun. Not specific. It is used in place of, it's probably took a step towards Laura. Okay, so in place of Laura, that's a pronoun. Okay, so that's a lot we have labeled there. If you got anything else, awesome. If you missed any of these, you can add them to yours.